What?
And don't forget to look at the dang menu so when I get ready to go, I ain't, okay, you know what? That's fine. That's exactly how you're going to go. Huh?
Using something new. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. This has been out a long time. People already been talking about it. I've had it. I just have not used it. So let's see how it works. Yeah, my face already primed and I have on my color corrector. So let's go. And it's not very, I'm hydrated, but it's not very, it's kind of dry because I've left my face kind of dry, didn't use any glowy products because first of all, this has 24-hour hydration, and second of all the reviews said that this was very, very dewy. So I don't need no extra dewiness. I love dewy, but I don't need any extra dewiness. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go. All right, so I'll be using this, and I have a sponge. I'll be putting it on with a sponge. This medium coverage longwear dewy foundation comes in 16 shades. Has a glowy finish, looks real on your skin, and hydrates and wears up to 24 hours. Great for all skin tones, minimizes pores, imperfections with a smooth blurring effect while evening skin tone and texture. I'm gonna put some more on it, but I can definitely see the glowiness, the hydration. It feels good. I like the color match. So let's put on just a little bit more. This Hydromaniac Tinted Moisturizer is vegan, cruelty-free. You get 1.1 ounce of product for $35. All right, here is a foundation. Reminder, I do have normal to dry skin. I put this foundation on. I just finished, of course, and I even put a little extra on it. It's not overly dewy to me. I do see the hydration. I see the hydrated, freshened look, but it's not overly hydrating to me. This probably will turn into a Foundation Friday because I'll come back and show you at the end of the day if it ever got to that point. We will see. All right, this is the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer in 70 NN. That's the light parts of my face. And I use the Tarte Sculpt tape in deep bronze for my contour, and this is the dark parts of my face. I'm gonna go blend those out. Here we are. I have it blended out. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush. I'm using the Color Ring Copper Rose Cream cream blush. And then I'm going to set my under eye with this Jouer dark powder. And I will go in and bronze with this Charlotte Tilbury number 4 bronze. All right, my face is powdered. My face is bronzed with those products. I did change my blush to a powder blush. I use this Hourglass at Night blush. It's like a reddish color, so I just use that. All right. So this is the Adept Cosmetics Stella face palette. I will be using this highlighter from this palette. All right, the face base is done. I had to retouch up my eyebrows in the middle because those disappeared. I'm going to wait to put the gel on them after I do my eyes. But first, let's spray my face. I'll be using MAC Fix Plus. Trusty MAC Fix Plus. For my lips, I am just going to be using this Ilia Balm Tint Ilia Balmy Tint Hydrating Lip Balm in the color Faded. Nice little brown. Now for the eyes. For my eyes, I'll be I already have it primed, of course. I'll be using 2 palettes. The first one is the Don't Be Jelly by Unearthly Cosmetics. This is an all shimmer palette. Can I help you?
I'm going around 3 o'clock.
And I'll be using this all matte palette by Viseart. This is the Petites Matte Warm. Alright, y'all, here's my finished look. I like the way the foundation is looking. I like the way my eyes are looking with the Don't Be Jelly, the older version. I'm good. Yeah, so like I said, this is going to turn into a Foundation Friday. I'll be back. So I'll be back at the end of the day so you can see how it's looking. Hey y'all, I am back. It's the end of the day. The time is 10 minutes to 9. 9:49, 8:49, 8:50. So I did not do a time hack when I first put this makeup on, but the first picture I took, I'll put it in here, it was at 2:49. So I'd say I had this makeup on probably about 7 hours, and it still looks good. That is, I don't have any of that overly dewiness that people are talking about. I think this is a very good looking foundation, especially with the products I use, because I did not use anything overly glowy. Like for my primer, I used the Tatcha Skin Canvas. I'm trying to finish this up, and this is not glowy at all. So I used that, and it looks really good. I really like the way this foundation is looking. And well, skin tint is looking. It is very high. It is hydrating. My face feels hydrated, but not overly so. Because when I first finished putting on my primer, I felt like, oh, my face felt kind of dry. But after using all my products, even the powder products, I think it looks really good, and I really do like it. So yeah. So I don't agree with some of the people what their reviews were, but maybe they didn't have dry skin, or maybe they chose the wrong primer. I don't know. You know, makeup can do different things on different people. But for me, I like it. All right, y'all. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being here. And until I see you in another video, stay fly, sis.